like this, or if you've got something like a plus b into a minus b, that's going to give you an answer like this. And this answer is what? This answer is what we call the difference, because it's a minus sign, so it's a difference of two squares. There are two squares here, x squared, y squared, and the difference in between them is the answer you get when you multiply something like this. Therefore, what do you think will be the answer when you multiply a plus b times a minus b? You're just going to have a difference of these two squares. So it's definitely going to give you a squared minus b squared. So therefore, what do you think will be the answer from 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 3? It's just going to be 2 squared minus 3 squared. You can confirm that. 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9. 4 minus 9 is the same thing as 9 minus 4 with a minus sign outside. It's going to be minus 5. What if you had done it this way? 5 times minus 1 minus 5. So always confirm your answers with numbers and be sure that you're right. But this is what we call the difference of two squares. Okay. Now you could have an interesting question to expand. For instance, you can have x plus 5 into y minus 2 into x plus 1. It could even be as small as 4 expressions multiplied together or anything. And let's now do this. So if you have a problem like this or many, you're not going to panic, okay? Just take it one at a time. So you can deal with this first and then later you multiply with this. So I will do that. So it's going to be x plus 5 into whatever this is. And this is going to be y into x plus 1 minus 2 into x plus 1. I'm not done yet. So I'm still leaving this outside, x plus 5, yeah? Yx, so that's like xy. Y times 1 is plus y. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. Minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Now this will go to multiply this. So next we do. So this is what I'm going to continue from, right? So it is x plus 5 into xy plus y minus 2x minus 2. Like we did in the other problems, okay? It's going to be x multiplying what you've got there plus 5 multiplying the same thing. This is xy plus y minus 2x minus 2, and this is xy plus y minus 2x minus 2. Before we go further, I want to call your attention to something. We're expanding, right? And here we realize we could not simplify this further because these are totally different terms. Okay, if we could simplify this, maybe if this would cancel this, we'll do that. But no, it cannot cancel this. You might face questions where once you get to this point, it even cancels out already. So look out for such things. But if you don't, it could become as long as this, no problem. X times xy is x squared y. X times y is plus xy. X times minus 2x is minus 2x squared. X times minus 2 is minus 2x. That's just one. Next one, plus 5 times xy is plus 5xy. Plus 5 times y is plus 5y. Plus 5 times minus 2x is minus 10x, because that's minus 2 times 5 times x. And then finally, plus 5 times minus 2 is minus 10. Please always take note of the sign here, because here we have plus sign, and that's why everything is fine. But if you had a minus sign, this will be minus something, this will be a minus, and this will become plus.